Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: Android Auto app installed and your phone updated. Once done, enable developer options and set USB mode to file transfer. This allows the car and phone to negotiate. If your car supports wireless, pair via Bluetooth first, then connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure location and phone permissions are granted. Otherwise, the system won't expose navigation and messaging. Now plug in or pair, and watch the phone detect the car to begin setup. Once the phone and head unit communicate, you'll see permission prompts, accept contacts, SMS access, and location, because Android Auto needs them to function correctly. Next, choose Android Auto as the input on the car screen and set the default navigation and music apps so shortcuts appear. If you use wireless, make sure Bluetooth priority and background data are allowed to prevent disconnects. Also adjust audio routing to ensure navigation prompts play through car speakers rather than phone. You're almost done. Test navigation directions, place a call, and play music to confirm full functionality. If the system is unstable, restart your phone and reconnect. Many issues come from the phone's state rather than the car. If wired connection fails, swap to a high-quality USB cable. If wireless fails, forget the car on Bluetooth and repair. As a last resort, clear Android Auto cache or reinstall the app. This resets settings and resolves corrupted configurations quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.